Please, that is.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Okay.
Okay?
Are you?
Absolutely.
Just got a call from your wife department, and this is the 4th time we came out this month.
Domestic violence, man. They got all types of, it's for.
Okay, I'm sorry, brother. Excuse me. Okay. Now listen here. You my goddamn trainee. Okay. Yeah. So don't be looking at the camera. That's my goddamn job. I'm training you. You a goddamn liability. Okay.
Bro,
that's what
people in there. And
listen to me. Okay. Now I'm sorry you had to sit. Would you back the up, please, sir? Now. The 4th time us coming out. That's why they gave me a goddamn gun and you didn't. You know why? Because I'm your trainee.
That's
okay?
Right.
Don't around and get something put in you, okay? I act like it was an accident and I turned this goddamn camera right up off me.
That's cool. Let's
go. Come on, man. Would you come on? All right. The 4th time this month. We're going to go ahead and make sure we don't have to make no arrests. But if we do, I don't want nobody spending time in the jail cell. See, I'm the good cop. This guy right here, look at it. Look at this.
Hey, bro,
look at this. No goddamn shoes on and look how you come dressed. Not even a pit.
Bro, this is only one of my jobs.
You on the goddamn job drinking this man. You act like it's Hennessy or something, man.
Hey, look at this job, all right?
Give me this goddamn. I'm sorry, because he gonna run and get fired.
Man, bro, dude, this job sucks. You gonna drink my...
You better cut that goddamn shit out, okay?
Bruh.
Would you come on, brother, back up. Police, the white department, open up.
Open the door.
You called your wife department, ma'am?
Yeah.
What seems to be the problem?
It's my friend and her husband.
What's her cup size, ma'am? How big are her breasts?
Her measurements.
They're pretty big. They're like double.
And why did you call us out, ma'am?
It's her husband. Like he hasn't been satisfying her needs.
Is the wife here?
Yeah, she's here.
Can you tell her to come to the door?
Lauren?
Please, would you back the up, man? This is my goddamn last time telling you.
Okay,
because she's too close, okay?
tripping, bro.
How you doing, ma'am? Come close, please. I heard your husband ain't f***ing you from the back. Is it the back?
It's from any position.
Okay. All right. You turn around for me, please.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Can we step inside?
You can come in.
All right. Where's your husband at? Sir, police department.
Your wife division.
Come downstairs, sir.
Sir, don't get belligerent with us, bro.
I got this. Don't even tell him nothing. You know what? Sir, listen. Hold this, brother. Before you come down here, I want you to know we got body cams on because we don't trust you. Okay? You look like you from be up no goddamn good. Now, listen. I'm a friendly. I'm gonna handle my weapon. I just want to talk to you. Come on downstairs. Come on downstairs. Come on. Ma'am, please come closer to me. Good. He called the wife department. Okay? Now this is your wife, and you up there playing. What are you doing upstairs, huh? You old Michael Blackson looking. You playing? Oh, you got the new 2K?
That's all he does.
The new 2K with the characters. I fuck around with that.
Man.
Listen, call that, man.
Don't,
listen to me. Hey, don't be pointing that like that. You don't got that
Man,
Give me the goddamn strap. Give me the goddamn gun.
Hey, he started doing something.
Okay, listen now. Now listen, I can take. Well, I put your ass in handcuffs right now. I can take him to jail. I can take him to jail, ma'am, or I can settle it.
We can settle it right now.
Tell you what, put this brother in handcuffs for me.
I got that.
Ma'am.
Black ass in here, huh? Michael Blackson looking.
Does your husband f around too? Upstairs. Upstairs.
You know what this is. You know what this is.
Take it upstairs.
You know what this is. Hey, shut up. Don't move. Don't move.
For real?
He's quit resisting. Quit resisting.
Upstairs. Take his ass outside.
I got that.
Right
I got that.
Handle that, bro. Handle that. No. Turn that goddamn cam off. John, you turn this body cam off, okay? Turn the cam off. You know what? Give me that. Turn the around, okay? You don't come in there. You don't come in there.
Bruh.
Look what you doing, bro? Don't leave his pants alone. Yo, get the shoes. That's the hot rod. Look at that. The hot rod. Look at the nigga got big balls up in his shoe. Yeah, baby.
Look at the pants leg. Oh. His leg ain't even that big, that boy. Yeah, yeah.
OG shit.
Chicken leg.
Little as hell.
Whoa, whoa. Look at the socks. These damn things soft, that boy. You better double sock them. Oh.
Those street fighters.
Heavy flat. Oh. You gotta pluck the knuckle. Yeah.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Okay.
Okay?
You?
Absolutely.